Today I'm going to show you how to make a purple smoothie bowl. What I love about this recipe is its ingredients. The frozen wild blueberries have an ORAC scale that is just off the charts. The blue spirulina is full of antioxidants. So this smoothie is going to leave you feeling absolutely amazing. Now, to make the smoothie, what I do is I have 2 cups of frozen blueberries and 1 cup of frozen banana. So the rule of thumb always to get the perfect thick smoothie bowl is you have to measure your ingredients, and it's always 3 cups of frozen fruit to 3/4 cup to 1 cup of liquid. So it's important to know those measurements. So I'm going to put the blueberries in the Vitamix. And the frozen bananas. And I have the coconut milk. This is fresh pressed, but you can use whatever kind of milk you get your hands on. And we're going to blend. All right, so here we go. We got the final product. Oh, and it has a deep purple color, which is what we're wanting. And it's thick. Yeah, the wild blueberries make these absolutely amazing, and it gives it a perfect sweet flavor. And on top, I usually just like to put a little bit of walnuts and some coconut. Now these are a perfect breakfast or dessert in the afternoon recipe. I absolutely love these.